Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Petit Moves, and in this video I will show you 3 moves that you can do without being affiliated to any gangs when you do the C-walk move. Because the C-walk is actually coming from crip walking. So I'm going to show you in this video 3 moves that you can do without being affiliated to the crips, because that's actually some clown walk moves. So let's start with number 1. Number 1, you know, it's actually the heel toe. The heel toe twist, you already know. We start like this and then we twist to this side. We start like this, twist, switch, twist, switch, twist. Actually, it's very easy and very simple. If you don't know how to do it yet, check out into my channel membership. There I have footwork tutorials when it comes to C-walk, clown walk moves, different explanations, different moves. So check out the channel membership and get access to it. As a second move, it's like this. Okay? And then you swing out the legs. I don't know really if there's a special name for it, but it's actually the Charleston, okay? That's not really... People can't say that this move is owned by the C-walk culture, you know? That's very hard to say. Of course, there are differences because by C-walk, they make it like this. And when you do the Charleston, you do it like this. But to be honest, come on. They're very familiar, they're very similar. And the last move that you can do, this football combination, which is called the gangster two-step, okay, or gangster two-hop. So actually the gangster two-step is not really a crip walk or C-walk move. That's, the move stands for himself. It's like the gangster two-step, okay? You come here to the front, come back together, and then you open again. Close, open, together, small, open again, to the side, okay? Like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, hop, 1, 2, 3, hop, 1, 2, 3, hop. But also for this move, I've already made a gangster two-step tutorial complete where you can learn all the moves and how it goes. So check this also out. And yeah, I hope this video was quite helpful for you to be safe on the street when you do your dance move, your freestyle. And I know we all love to dance. Just keep up the good vibes. You can also show me some love via the like, super thanks button, or a comment, or share it with a friend. So your Petit Moves, I'm out, and see you in the next video. Peace!